Another question is how to find the number of firms in an industry. The question is like this: the cost function of each firm in an industry in the long run is given by, we are being given long run cost function is C is equal to Q cube minus 10Q square plus 35Q. The industry demand is D is equal to 2500 minus 200 P, where P is the price. uh, Firms are maximizing profit. Find the number of firms in the industry. The options are 100, 300, 500 or 900. Okay, so we need to find out the number of firms in the industry. We are being given the cost function as C is equal to Q cube minus 10Q square plus 35Q. This is our total cost function. Also, market demand function is being given us as D. So in place of D, I can write Q is equal to 2500 minus 200P. This is our market demand function. This is our total cost function. We need to find out the number of firms in the industry. Okay, and we are being told that the situation is about long run. So in the long run, what will be the price in the long run? Let us denote our average cost is, let us say this is our average cost. Okay, so in the long run, price is equal to minimum of average cost. Okay, so price will be equal to minimum of average cost. Okay, so in long run, price is equal to minimum of average cost. Now let's calculate firstly the average cost. Average cost is simply total cost upon Q. Okay, which gives us which we have here Q cube minus 10Q square plus 35Q. To this we divide by Q. We can write it like this: Q cube upon Q minus 10Q square upon Q plus 35Q upon Q. Q or Q, same thing, so one gets cancelled. We are left with average cost is equal to Q square minus 10Q plus 35. This is our average cost. Now to find the minimum of average cost, what we need to do by finding the minimum point, that means we want to find the minimum. That is simply equal to the derivative of average cost with respect to quantity. We set it equal to 0. Okay, to find the minimum, just take the derivative with respect to Q and set it equal to 0, which will give us the minimum point. Okay, so here we would have derivative of Q square, which implies is 2Q minus, we have 2Q minus 10 should be equal to 0. Derivative of Q is 1, derivative of constant is 0 here, and which gives us 2Q is equal to 10, which gives us Q is equal to 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. That means each firm will be producing 5 units of output. Okay, so each firm will be producing 5 units of output. Now what will be the long run price? So long run price is equal to P is equal to minimum of ABC, average cost, and we got each firm is producing 5 units. Okay, just plug 5 Q is equal to 5 in average cost function will give us the long run price. So average cost is this Q square minus 10Q plus 35. Okay, in place of Q just evaluate it 5. So we have 5 square minus 10 into 5 plus 35. So this is 25 minus 50 plus 35. So this comes out to be so 25 minus 50 comes out to be minus 25. So we have minus 25 plus 35, which gives us P is equal to 10. Okay, so long run price will be equal to 10. Now when price is equal to 10, what is the total market output? Just plug the value of price in this to get the total market output. Total market output will be equal to 2500 minus 200. The value of P is 10 here. So we have 2500 minus 2000. Okay, so Q is equal to 2500 minus 2000 comes out to be 500. So this is our total market output. Let me write it here. This is our total market output. Okay, so let's denote it by Q superscript M. Okay, simple thing. Each firm is producing 5 units. Okay, so each firm is producing 5 units. Then let me write it like this: number of firms into quantity produced by each firm, let us denote it by Q, should be equal to the total market output. Simple logic is here. If this is our total output and each firm is producing 5 units of output, so I can write it like this: N into 5 is equal to 500. Okay, this is the industry output, this is the firm's output. Okay, then number of firms will be equal to 500 upon 5, so this gives us 100. Then the number of firms in the industry will be equal to 100. It is very simple. N into, that means number of firms into quantity supplied by each firm will be equal to the total market output. Okay, so each firm is supplying 5 units, total output in the market is 500. Then number of firms will be simply equal to the market output upon quantity supplied by individual firm. Okay, will give us the number of firms. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.